Guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a tire on your Lexus. First thing you want to do is set your emergency brake, which on this vehicle should be P button right here. Just pull that, and when you pull that, it should say park in red letters. Oh, you got to push it. There it goes. And then when you see the red letters come up that say park, that means your emergency parking brake is set. And come here to the trunk and lift up your floor, and your spare will be there, and your jack is here, and your lug wrench. What you're gonna have to do is kind of turn this thing. Sometimes it's so tight you gotta stick this in there and kind of just make it a little looser. And when you do that, it'll come out. And we'll grab the jack rod as well to pull that stuff out. And come over here. The customer had already had the tire changed, so the spare's on there now, but they had their full size repaired, so we're going to be putting the full size back on. And our flat being in the front, our jacking point is going to be under the rocker panel here. Rocker panel is the lower bottom side of the vehicle, and when you go underneath here, you'll see a little piece of pinch welded metal right here, and that little lip right there is where your jack is going to land for the front. So this being the bottom of the jack and this the top, that little piece of pinch welded metal is going to slide into there. So you just kind of crank this until it opens up a little bit, slide it under, and then get it in position by that pinch weld and crank it up until it lands into that pinch weld. Right there where those two little dips are at. So once you have the jack in position, like I showed you there, and it looks like that, you're good to go. You could start breaking your lug nuts loose. Now if your flat was in the back, your jacking point would be back here. That same little piece of pinch welded metal right there is where that jack's going to land. But now that we have the jack set nice and tight, we'll take our lug wrench, put it on here, and we'll move it lefty-loosey like that, maybe, and get them loose before we jack it up, because if we jack it up and then try to get these loose, it could knock the jack off, or the vehicle off of the jack. So do it like that. If you're not strong enough, you can always put a foot on it and step on it, and that'll break them loose. Get them all broke loose before you jack it up. Now some of these vehicles have locking lug nuts. You can tell the difference between the locking lug nut and the others, and for that you're going to need this key, which is special to your lock. They don't sell these at the parts store because this key only fits one lock. There you go. Alright, now you got your lug nuts broke loose, parking brake set, your jack in position. You're going to take this little crank rod here, put it through like that. Oh, I went the wrong way at first. And crank her up. Put one hand here, the other one here, and crank it up. Just be careful not to scratch your knuckles across the ground when you're doing it. Alright, that should be good. Take our lug nuts off now. Probably faster by hand than that tool. come off. Grab our other wheel, and we're just gonna place it right up here on that wheel hub, the lip of that wheel hub, and we're gonna line up the holes in the rim to line up with these bolt holes. All right, so just set it on the hub, and then rotate it so you can see that hole. It should line up like that. And then just take your lug studs and screw them back in there. They're really hard to reach because they're not long enough. So you gotta kind of take your fingers and just push really hard as you're turning to get them to thread in. Like so. And this one will be much easier because it's way longer. Try to screw that one in as far as you can. That'll keep the wheel steady for you. And then tighten it. Alright, and then give it a good little snug. Now we can start letting the vehicle down. Alright, same as before, just crank it in reverse, and I'll come right back down. Pretty simple. You got the vehicle down on the ground and the jack out. Go ahead and start on any lug nut you want and tighten it down with your foot, and then do opposite of that. So don't go from this one to the next one, go completely across. And that's gonna make sure the wheel seats properly to the hub. And usually leg tight is tight enough. People ask me if you have to torque these down, but I've never seen a vehicle that came with a factory torque wrench. They just come with these lug wrenches, so as long as you tighten it as tight as humanly possible, you will not have any issues with the wheel coming off. There you go. And the last thing is, you don't want to forget this key in there because it'll fly off and get lost, and nobody wants that. But there you go. That's how to change a tire on your Lexus. Ooh, doing these things with the factory tools is a lot harder than my floor jack and my impact, that's for sure. Well, there you go. That's how to change a tire on your Lexus. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please drop me a comment. Let me know. Give me a little thumbs up on there, and share it with a friend that may need it. And if you know how to do the hype button, do that, because that really helps the channel out. And you'll see me on the next one. Bye.